Bonnie. Happy Monday. I am back. The sun is shining. It is a beautiful day out. And I got to talk about some AVON perfume today. Check it out. I'm wearing my Mermaid Treasures necklace today. I love this necklace. It looks great no matter what I put with it. It's just amazing. So if you're just joining me, I am an online AVON rep. All of my information is below, including the link to order. Shipping is free on 60, and it is free to join AVON right now. So, page 27 of the AVON catalog, check it out. They have a really good deal on perfume sets. You can get the Prima and the Rare Gold set for $23.99. You can get the Prima Noir set with the Rare Pearls for $23.99. And then you can also get the Today plus the Rare Pearls for $23.99. So $23.99. Also the classics, 2 for $9.99. Lots of good perfume stuff going on right now. So I'm going to open this up. I'm so excited. I didn't want to open it without you guys. I wanted to do this one on camera. So let me take the paper off. I love the AVON perfume because they wrap them up and they're perfect for gifting. So today is there scent notes on here? I was trying to figure out if the scent notes were on this one or not. Let me look in the catalog today. Oh, they're right here. Okay. I think they might be on here, but I just can't see them. Okay. Magnolia blossoms, hibiscus petals, and silk musk. So I got to tell you, I love magnolia. I sometimes like hibiscus. So we're going to see if I like this one. Big reveal here. Look at how pretty this bottle is. Absolutely stunning. I like the square design, and I like the top on this. This is a really, really pretty piece. And this is 1.7 fluid ounces. So you get a lot there. So I'm going to pop the top off of this one. And we're going to do a little spray here. Air it out a little bit. Oh, this is pretty. I'll have to say. Oh, this is nice. This is warm. It's very warm. So I'm getting the magnolia. I love magnolia. I gotta say, magnolia is wonderful. And I'm getting a little bit of this hibiscus. But what's interesting is when you mix the hibiscus with the magnolia, it kind of tones it down a little bit. Silk musk. I'm not sure what silk musk is. But this is a very warm floral. To me, it smells like an amber a little bit. I would call this amber, but it blends really well. I would say this is more of an evening scent. I don't know why they call it today. Today, tomorrow, and always. It's a romantic scent. I think that's what it means, but it is. It's very warm. It's got a little bit of a suntan type of like warmth. Sunshine, summer. This smells like a summer scent. It really does. I can't imagine wearing this. It doesn't feel like a fall or a winter scent. It's definitely a scent you would wear like to an evening party in the summer. I have a feeling a lot of people would smell this being around you and go, what are you wearing? This smells really good. So I would call this a floral amber, little bit of hibiscus, little bit of magnolia, and it's just got a warmth to it. It's nice though. Nice dry down, nice staying powder. But it definitely has like a summer suntan vibe going on. A little bit of floral. So it's nice. I think this one is good. So I've been wanting to try this one. I'm glad I picked this one up. Beautiful box too. So like I said, don't forget to look on page 27 of the catalog, these sets, because this is a really good deal. This is like $12. $12 each when you buy them in the set. That's a fabulous deal, especially for the Prima. I gotta say, I love the Prima. That one is the Delicate Plum, Pink Rose, and White Patchouli. That one is like my favorite. Definitely one of these 6. I want to say that the Prima is definitely up there with, that's probably my favorite on the entire page. But this one's nice. Got a good summer vibe going. So anyway, if you've tried today, let me know in the comments, and definitely check out the perfume deals because there's some really good deals going on. And then I don't know. Let me see here. Don't forget the free Amari Amore you get with any perfume purchase. You get actually 2 perfume purchases. You got to buy 2. So confusing. Buy 2 perfumes on pages 5 to 19, and then you'll get the Amari Amore, and then you can kind of throw in something from page 27, which is these deals. And of course, the Garbage Man is coming right when I'm talking. But definitely check these out. Anyway, I hope everyone has a good day. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.